Mike here. Hey guys, this video that's going to be showing is Steve going down to Leo's radiator shop, and he does powder coating too, but he talks about how to clean the radiator properly. So enjoy this video, like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell and comment. But this is what this video is about, how to properly clean out a radiator. I'm here at Leo's Radiator Shop. They do powder coating and sandblasting. And I brought my radiator, my 1952 for my bus radiator. And I got a turbo on it now, so I'm gonna get it cleaned up and fixed up. And we're talking about the pros and cons and whether I can add a core to it or if it's to the as big as it can be, but Leo's going to help me decide what to do and be on the best for me.
Check it out.
He's going to check it. So what are you talking about, Leo? Go through it a little bit.
Check it out, take it apart, and see how bad it is inside. And then you see, I figured out the core is really bad. I put a new core or complete rebuild, make it new.
Okay, go through what you were saying to me. If we decide not to do a new core, what you're going to actually do to make sure that everything's running efficiently.
Is running good, yeah.
So tell me about what you were showing, the measurements, the 6 inches, and how far apart all these fins are.
Oh, the fin, because that one is 12 fans per inch. So I have to make a 9 fans, so these got more air. So the air go through way better.
Right.
Now it's 12 pins per inch. So 12 is really narrow. So 9 fans is little more space. So it's got more air go through.
So if we decided to get rid of this because the fins are so close and we wanted to run a little cooler because we have the turbo.
Yeah.
Maybe get them further spaced apart. So more air will go through. That's what you're saying, right?
Absolutely, and probably put the thick core.
A little thicker.
Yeah.
About half an inch.
Another one roll the cooling, so it's another 1 gallon, and the freeze go around.
So that would also.
Yeah, way better, more water around, circulate in the system.
So I trust you, Leo, and so make that decision, and then call me.
Absolutely.
Think about it. Call me and show me what you do back here in your shop. Show me that radiator that what you're talking about doing anyway, no matter what.
Radiator, it looks pretty much like this bad condition, all complete plug and rusty. And then this is the tractor is overheat all the time. So when I take it apart and I find that it's really bad like that, and then I have to dip it in the acid and rot it out and put the new solder, every single tube.
Are you done with this one?
Yeah, I'm really done. So
when I walked in, you had a torch going.
Yeah.
And you were. If you could show people what you do a little bit, that'd be great too. But you're done with this one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, always torch and resolder the whole thing. I got it sandblasting the tanks and some reels. So I have to clean it and put it back together and resolder back together, and then test it. But every single one is really clean inside.
And you run. How do you go through the cleaning on the inside?
Oh, I got a rod.
Oh, you actually run a rod through it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is called and rod it out. When I use this rod, so the pan size the 2-inch. It's got to go every single one, the whole through, and rot it out like that, and then the next one.
And to do that, you got to have both sides of this off, right?
Yeah. Well, that one I got the long one, so the one is got the whole throughs, and then I have to use pressure watch and check it out every single one, more sure the water pass to the other side.
But like mine, they didn't take the bottom part off, right?
Yeah.
And so they couldn't run all the way through.
That one is only like, I don't know who did it, that one, but it's only like one side. So I have to take it the other side, like both sides, more shoe there.
So they should have taken both sides out and redone both sides, right?
Absolutely. See, this is what I do, like this side and the other side.
Why would they do that? I paid them.
No idea, man.
Well,
This is why whatever job I do, I give it like 1 year guarantee that no problem.
okay, all right.